Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to enter opening balances on QuickBooks. So to do this, you need to be logged in, of course. And once you are in your dashboard, like what we are at right now, we want to click on settings on the upper right corner. This pop-up will appear and you want to click on chart of accounts. Now it's the fourth option under your company, right? So click on chart of accounts. And here you're going to see all the charts, all your accounts. So there are a lot of existing stuff here. If you want to, edit one, you can do so, or you can just click new account like so, and then enter the account name, right? And then what type of account it is, maybe cash and cash equivalent, bank, and maybe put the opening account that you want to open, what you have the amount in it. And after that, just fill in all the blanks here, enter the date, so on and so forth, description, and then just click save and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.